Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, manners and respect.
And then maybe yeah, maybe not. It depends on how I feel. You understand? But then I go lick him and beat him up. I feel like I go stab him, kill him. I go stab him down the face. Yeah, that's a one I go do. Yeah, but I go see them and gag him and beat him up because them want to kill him. But them want to kill him out there. I'm just yeah, man, brother. That's much as how me and him that time. I couldn't make them kill him. No, nah, I couldn't let them kill him. No. Now make them kill him. Because as much as bad as things be, me still remember the first time I ever talked to him. I made it crazy. But it's just life. Yeah, Crosses Steven, remember the first day me and him thought the girl would come off fire in 2018. But just I talked to him and him did the whole heap. If did I try to get me, convince him, buy him off iPhone, I'm doing everything and me just give in. Listen. Bridgeport, you know something I'm gonna do this video? Bridgeport, me I talk about something. I'm trying to clear up myself so people don't get it twisted or get it correct. So when you hear me talk, I clarify myself and explain myself, Bridgeport. What do you mean? I make you know, say, I'm loyal to Macy, I'm loyal to Kenneth, I'm loyal to Dolly, and you know as bad as things be, and so I share the majority of the loyalty that I have, because the same loyalty I have for Oniel and so, but I try to explain to him that I'm loyal to him. He always did that sell me out with people and I was doing too much. I just don't care. But that doesn't mean that if I see people attacking him, I go make them kill him. I'm not going to feel like more I going to stand and make them kill it. You understand? That's what I was just saying. I never say my one but my ex. I never say I go fuck my ex. I never say my this and that. I talk to your Bridgeport. And Princess, Princess is here, Bridgeport. Princess knows. Princess understand. Princess know me as a person. My baby mother know me tell her the truth. Anything what she asks me, if she asks me say, if she asks me anything, me tell her the truth. And if she asks me how I'm feeling, me tell her how I feel. If she asks me what me want to do, me tell her. I don't lie to her. So if she asks me, always if she texts me and she say, you know, me not like this girl. Okay, I know you don't like him name. We all know this. Everybody in the house know. I'm sorry. I was just explaining something. I know you don't like him name, but come on. Relax. Shit, I can't. Why nobody in my household don't like Oniel? Like, I see that Oniel made it bad for herself. That Oniel came on the internet and made it seem like I was the problem, and everybody with their own message say it was Oniel, and I take care of him and I do all him. So I guess they don't really fuck with him. Nobody don't fight. Every time I tell, like, say me want like be friends with him, everybody tell me, say, if you talk to Oniel, we're not talking to you. Them tell me straight. If my grandmother tell me, if I start talking to Oniel, she done with me. She said, if you go back to Oniel, I'm done with you, because I will heap of money me have to spend to get you out of that depression. She tell me I'm start at Oniel, she's done with me. She cut me off. Like, she cut me off in front of Fabian. That's what she said, in front of Fabian. Fabian gagged. I don't know. Nobody not really like Oniel. I'm a friend them, and I'm a friend. Nobody know. I'm not feeling. That's whatever I like. Big mother says she don't like the name. Fine, come off of the name. Yeah, back to what me I say now. Boops. So, you know, me see them a run some little joke and me not like it. And when you got disrespect real woman do a lot for me. Real woman love me and say me. I've never heard me and say Dolly or them a cuss real woman. I say real woman go suck them man. I don't like real woman and so. Them talk, them be mutual. And them always isolate. You see them little batty man there? They broke nasty fuck out, lick out body. Me tell you say, bruh, me hate for act like a bitch on the internet. Me hate for act like a bitch. That's why me no want to cuss. Me stop coming live, me stop show, me stop do things because guess what? I learn to myself and I say to myself, say, yo, me don't need to come on the internet and show. Me don't need to do all of this. Me don't need to do that. You want to have something to say to me, say it to my face. Say what you say. Yeah, just say the big pussy girl. May I watch it for a female mix up? A female mix up, but I'm glad female mix up post it. So when female mix up post it, at least everybody I got say, everybody I got blood clot say, Them look up Batty man, they want to support them. I'm tell them over and over, Judgment Patrol. Only real woman that like me. Because only can fuck with me. And Thomas go suck out your big pussy mother, your big stinking blood clot and come off from Instagram. Big batty boy go suck out your mother, bitch. Come off from a blood clot Instagram, batty boy. Me not like your pussy, batty boy. Because you gonna send blood clot comments and me them come talk about, oh, we can do this in real life and any blood clot thing about if me know this. Bitch go suck your mother, bitch. You could have bad like, bitch. You could have bad like busy. Me not bad for your pussy. Me make me. Pussy, me not even gonna talk. Me not even gonna talk. If you run put me on some blood club, you must feel like me can't manage you. We make some people can manage your deal with you. I'm gonna need for talk because guess what? Me know me can make it happen for real. So I'm gonna need for talk and do all of that. Listen to you, but pussy, play with me some type of way. Don't you gonna suck out your mother big pussy Thomas and come out from a blood clot bitch. Batty boy gonna kill yourself. Pussy, we not gonna drink some blood clot bleach bitch with ice and kill your blood clots and give your mama to. And bitch, me eat all your mother, your father will fuck and make you call them a crosses. Cause them invent one blood clot destruction. We hard for blood clot. Get rid of your dirty mama, your dirty father, your dirty generation, your dirty ancestors them. Go suck your mother, pussy, batty boy. Hey, you go suck your mother and come out from a page, you know, dirty girl. Come not like you know, big pussy girl. Come out from a page, batty boy. So good girl up on my blood clot page. Only like people. I always have something to say about blood clot people. Yes, only itch up on people page and watch them. Cause suck your mother, batty boy. Dirty fuck out. Yeah, your big pussy. Your big pussy mother, your big pussy father. And your big pussy grandmother, your big pussy auntie, your big pussy uncle. Dirty batty boy. You suck good self. Bitch, me not even ignorant for blood clot bossy no more. Bitch, are you more arguing? Me not like you gonna suck your mother pussy more you dead. Jav real woman not like them either. Some of us only follow them up for drama and excitement when we are bored. I mean I understand that. But some of us support them. Wanna go and do them here and do things with them and support them and only give them strength. That's why when you give them strength, them can feel like. Because I'm tell yourself, real woman never dare give them strength. Baby Gucci, they would have never be able to say that. That's what I'm saying. I say, baby Gucci, I can't have a focus. I can't have a blood clot focus. I can't have a focus. This is a good dirty girl for my blood. I'm not like your body boy. I hate you. Pussy, answer the request, my body boy. Answer the request, my dirty girl. I'm saying your body boy. I'm gonna touch certain things for me that is sensitive to me. I'm gonna touch something that's sensitive for you. I'm gonna be a mother. I love my baby mother. I'm respect my mother. I love my mother. I love my grandmother. I love my auntie. I love all of the females in my family. So I go outside and treat females accordingly. That's why when any woman is in problem or them I go through shit, I always want to defend them or like if me have money, I know them hungry. I help them out and them things. So me now, I come on ask me not beg on either. Ultimate cancer beg on them be like, yo, if I'm a bleaching cream, I'm a soap and support it and buy it from me so I can have money for constantly do great things. If I release my EP bites, I'm getting creative. Only they support me, like only to support me, bitch. I have all my car already and have all certain things already, you know. Huh? But guess what? My EP will come out. First of all, the EP that is coming out, we're not gonna have a choice but for download it and buy it because the EP was so hot and so nice that we never got it on Bumba Pussy, Bumba Blood Clot, Java class, Java, military class, everybody, my class Blondie, my class Dolly, my class a whole heap of blood clot people in my EP, my talk a whole heap of things in the EP because guess what? Instead of I'm coming on live and talking and I'm not getting paid for it, I put it in something that I can get paid for. Do you understand where I'm coming from? When you understand where I'm coming from? I say female mix up, I say the day when the EP can try, I get the whole lot of for run with the blood clot song them. I come want to play it over and over. I want to hear them name. And me I bust it up more to screen the card party and play it over and put it up. Everybody can't hear. Not Dolly. Jesus Christ. I say Dolly. I blind him if he say Jesus Christ. A female mix up and that's why y'all laugh. You look a blood clot, yo. If you tell me say a Dolly, me say Bumbuckler, I mean, Blandy. I made a mistake. I made an honest mistake. She respect women because they want to be much. First of all, them respect real woman because most of the real woman them, and them are the reason why Batik man not kill no. Yeah. Some of you and if I respect real woman because of them are the reason why man don't kill them. You understand the answer? Respect the woman them. And them are the reason why man don't kill them. Yeah, them are the reason why man don't kill them. Man don't kill them because of them. And you can talk about real man no sense. Bitch, if somebody come on the internet and put it blood clot outside and say, why real woman supposed to go do them investigation for find out say are true or find out say like bitch anything with them hear them supposed to hear them work with blood clot it. Just the same if me come and say something more and them work with it. Say if the case if them hear something like me tell them all the blood clot them ask anybody in the comments. Every time when me say, what me say, I'm gonna say to one say, everything want to hear about me to work with it. But I always say me not come and talk about every time when they hear something about me, they believe on this. I mean like when the real all the time I cuss on the real woman. Man, which men don't really cuss on all the time I wanna really get into it, I really get them into tears. And when someone in the comments really fuck with me and I class me, I mean have a class and them really class me. I have to answer them because me not dumb. Me not handicapped. Yeah, you understand nothing about Blandy, you know. Nothing about Blandy, because Marlon, from me know Marlon to know Marlon a girl always a catch a people yard. Always a sleep a people. Bitch, you forgot say, when Khaled renting place like Keystone and Portia, Blandy, Tika, and Dex, and all of them used to live around them house. I'ma just meet call me and call the dirty girl. And you come from country. Now what you do down a country, I don't know what you did. I said, but I know say you just could go back home or you could go back at your parents' them house. That's what I know. Cause my man not tell me lie. And Carl said to me, said, Jav, babes, him said to me, I can tell her repeat what Carl said to me, said, babes, me know, me put in the romance, so I tell her, say, it's up because your great grandmother tell me keep you over here. But my local friend I come from country and she get put out and she don't know if you stay. I don't want her sleeping on the couch or sleep on the floor. So I'm gonna take the mattress. I just buy one mattress tomorrow. And I'm gonna give her the mattress. Bitch, if you got say my man when him call, get up off of the mattress and give to you, big pussy girl. Hmm? My man. And what did you do when Carl and place a payment? You went ahead and you stole clients from somebody. And you're getting a big problem with Aisha and Paul and everybody and make them come mash up around a call place. I don't forget none of those stuff. I was there with Carl. And Carl used to make crazy money. Portia used to make crazy money. Bobby used to make crazy blood clot money. You never did make no money. You was always a street girl. Up to now, you're still a street girl. But yet still you have a problem with everybody. Girl, I'm going to tell people this over and over. She can't cuss me or talk none about blood clot. Yeah, this is what she's supposed to talk from. Me know blood clot. Me know she a girl will always never have nothing. I always catch with somebody. I always take something from somebody. I always beg.